When it comes to car manufacturing, whether it be for internal combustion vehicles or electric vehicles, one of the lesser talked about components to the process is how water is used. Studies have shown that it can take over 39,000 gallons of water from beginning to end of production for a single vehicle. As sustainability is becoming increasingly important to business practices, manufacturing companies are looking for innovative solutions to work towards improving their sustainability. I had the opportunity to travel to the Ford production plant in Dearborn, Michigan to learn about water usage through the manufacturing process of their EVs and what Ford is doing to promote sustainability and reduce water waste. I had the chance to talk to Nick Bird, a plant environmental control engineer for the production facilities. I asked him where throughout the production process is water used and how the water is treated after it's used. Here's what he had to say.
A lot of the water use is in the paint shop, water-based paints, phosphate system. Remaining water use is generally used on cooling units, cooling towers, cooling systems, things of that sort throughout the facility. All of our process water that's used throughout the facility, we have a dedicated wastewater treatment plant on site, and that is treated and discharged before it's returned back to the local municipality.
Finally, I asked about what the company has done to improve upon water usage and if he believes that there's still room for improvement. Here's Nick.
We are constantly looking for additional water saving measures. We've seen a 72% water reduction in the past 20 years. Despite the substantial progress we've made, it does take a lot of water to make a vehicle, and it takes even more to make an EV on average. Closed loop systems, proper water saving measures, really well designed systems for water reuse and water filtration is honestly the best way to go forward. With the new facilities they're building, older infrastructure at where we make a lot of our vehicles, maintaining that equipment and being vigilant about it on a regular basis, which has been successful, hence the 72% water reduction over 20 years.
Overall, water is an incredibly crucial resource when it comes to producing vehicles. It's important to highlight how Ford and others use and conserve water throughout the car manufacturing process and what is being done to drive the industry towards a sustainable future.